Wagon Jamrel, Uncle here in a big arbitrary. The sun is talking to me ears, but we stay here to talk to the people and we represent the social side on TVJ. We come to find out who knows the countries that are participating in the World Cup and also to find out who side them bring for the World Cup and if them can name 5 players off of them side here. Bro, forward it. Be a Brazil flag out here, but you don't know who play for Brazil. Let's go. Who you bring for your World Cup?
When I bring inside, we have a goat, and I want goat alone, so you must know.
France?
No.
Brazil, I support. You see me on the shirt. I like Senegal.
Big side.
And me I carry Brazil.
Who you bring for your World Cup?
Brazil.
Argentina.
Lionel.
Oh,
I can't do goat.
Alright, cool. Alright, oh brother. Name 5 players off of the side.
5 players off on the side.
There's one, nobody come call Messi now.
And don't call Messi.
No, call Messi.
Me know answer that question, I didn't come in.
No, you have to.
Alright, here we are.
Yeah.
Even though him don't, watch on. You see, Di Maria, me have to call.
Yo, him retire.
Me have to call
No,
Di
him
Maria.
retire.
Vinicius Junior, Thiago, Neymar,
Yeah.
Gabriel,
Yeah.
Marquinhos.
Yeah. You're good. You're gone 3. Name me 2 more.
Danulia.
Oh?
Danulia.
Dan Julio. And I run me a drink, you know.
My ball at them, you know. The Argentine ball at them.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
No, Sam, go on.
You have Martinez.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah. You have
Yeah, man.
just cool.
Name 5 players off of Senegal side, because Senegal are your side. Make sure you know what.
No, I am not a major football
Oh,
fan.
brother, alright. Name 5 players from Argentina side.
Alright, Julian Alvarez.
Alright.
Nicolas Otamendi.
Yeah.
Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
Emi Martinez.
Yeah.
And Paredes.
No, man, I got Argentina school. Which flag this?
China. Japan.
Shame.
Sorry.
Shame. Hold this.
This that look like
Them famous cricket. Big cricket country.
look like a UK flag in the bottom.
Australia.
Australia.
It's a big cricket country. Alright.
Chihuahua.
Which country this?
Japan.
Alright. Which side is?
I went there, Congo there.
Yeah, you know that. You're right.
England.
Alright.
England, man.
No,
England.
it's a New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yeah. In the flag, yeah. It's easy, you know. Pablo Escobar. You know Pablo Escobar? Colombia. Mighty God. Which flag this?
Germany.
I be easy flag me again. Me find out flag here. Alright.
Netherlands.
No, which side Salah play for?
Or Egypt.
Alright. What side is?
Poland.
No, Austria. Which flag this?
Iran.
What is?
Portugal flag.
Alright, me find Portugal flag. Oh, Sita. Which flag this?
Yes, but just say
Which flag this?
Portugal.
Okay. Say Jamrel, Lola Brazil. They have a 3. Them they are Rio de Janeiro, them they have a 3. Poor thing them. Tune in for more. Wagwan Jamrel, Uncle here representing the TVJ's social side. We're here with some amazing guests about to ask them bag of questions about football. Yo, introduce yourself please.
All right, FIFA World Cup 2026, Maverick right here in the mix.
Hi guys, I'm Crystal and I'm a football enthusiast.
When are David? Ready? Alright, first question. Which team has looked the most convincing so far? Don't call Brazil, nobody with it, because they stink. They stink. We saw the match today. We saw the
Wait, you mean we see the match? No,
Them stinks,
Alright.
but them will look the most impressive.
Okay.
France should have that.
Well, they have man like Mbappe, Olis, Dembele,
The whole team, them are roll.
They
They look like them up on a mission because them remember the last in the final last World
and
Cup.
penalties.
Yeah, so them have a thing for settle and Mbappe, he might turn into a World Cup bully.
Yes.
Yeah, you notice him. This is his 3rd World Cup. He won the first one, run up in the second one with a hat-trick in the final.
Exactly.
Some of us score for second. So France look dangerous.
Oh boy, what you say, Crystal?
Brazil, but okay, apart from Brazil, I'd have say Argentina.
What?
Messi scored a hat-trick. What you
And
mean?
are you watching the games?
Yes, I am.
Everything goes through Messi, and without Messi, the side is lackluster, inefficient, and slow.
Problem is that they do have Messi.
But
So people are gonna play them without Messi. You know?
when they play
And they haven't lost a
what
match
will happen?
since. And haven't lost a match since.
They're afraid of Messi like postman.
And they haven't lost a match since.
I didn't see France being afraid of Messi in 2022. Alright, what else? Alright, cool. Next question though.
But it's 2020. You know?
Okay. he's older. He's 38, and I'm like, oh, what's fair?
Anyways, okay.
Is there a team which is surviving on luck right now?
Yes, Portugal.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I say
No worry, no contest.
they are
Underperforming, I think.
They need to go home immediately. Yeah. All right. Next question: is there a team nobody wants to face right now?
Yeah.
France.
No, not just France.
Okay.
I was looking at like a lesser team.
Okay.
Where none of the bigger teams don't want to meet.
Which side is that?
That would have probably be the host nation, USA. Because they're playing at home.
Yes.
And them have the energy and them have the momentum. And
they look
they're a pretty good team as well.
really impressive.
Yeah.
I don't think nobody wants to see them right now.
I agree.
They are on a roll, and like it was so surprising because them did the Paraguay and I said, wow. This side is my boy they play good at Balogun the striker.
Yeah, man.
And the midfield.
The whole team.
Good coach
They
as
have
well.
energy about them.
Yeah. And it's like
when you play in a host nation, with that kind of energy there,
Them will go
it's
far.
like you play with 12.
Yes.
So if you know what I do.
Boom.
Alright, next question.
I agree.
Which football giant is closest to an upset exit? That's easy.
You tell that one.
That's so easy. Sit there. Look, sit there.
England,
I can't.
Brazil.
One.
Feel we have flirt with it.
No, you have to take the bias aside. You can't just things say up on a different shirt.
I work with the bias, man.
Wow.
I work with the bias.
Yeah. Which player has the most pressure on them right now?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ooh.
He's 41.
He has a lot of
Pressure
pressure.
tablet. Like,
Let me see.
No, but like the pressure, remember, Messi scored a hat-trick, they expected him to score a hat-trick like the next day
he's 41.
as well. So it was like that pressure that he's really under. You know, this might be, I think this is the last World Cup.
Yeah.
So Messi already has his, says like, okay, who's gonna get it? Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, you know, who's next? But
Good answer. Good answer.
I agree.
I think Messi have some pressure to still.
He has a lot of pressure.
Yeah, so but what happened was look like him reach a level of maturity, you know, where the pressure does a bounce off him.
Yeah,
because
in the
he will relish the occasion at 39 years old.
Yeah, and the thing people has to forget, these guys are old. They are old. They are old. Christy's 41, so any pressure really.
You call him one of them old men.
that's what I'm
They're
saying.
41.
But 41 is not old, that's what I'm saying.
Hey,
Give me 2 years up, 2 years up and down.
the determination of old changing of football now because.
You think so?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of nutrition, medicine, them athletes are now asleep and some chamber where them not get old enough.
Yeah.
So, me think Messi at defy age right now.
That's a
The
fair
level
play.
where we see him up there.
But him and Christy game are different. A different type of game.
He's done, man.
Yeah, so we can see it. So missing more.
He's done, man.
Him not drop back and knock the pass down one
momentum
two.
can still work off.
So and plus the midfield now provide Christy as well. So you know, say my 5 film life out there if him can't get the service. So isn't me?
The world is gonna attack you guys.
That's cool. I'm not response.
And attack
I'm not really response right now. Which team will make it as far as everyone expects?
You know, it's a tricky one that because I look for the big upset from the tournament start. I mean, I don't really see none.
Yeah.
You have some minor upsets. Normally, you have a big upset or two at the first round of the tournament.
Yeah, agreed.
This year, we didn't get any of that.
Yeah.
All of the usual suspects progress to the second round. So, I don't know. Who is the right for upset?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We don't see
I don't say anything.
I think Spain as a upset to get because
They made stairs already. Remember they drew with Cape Verde in them first
Yes,
game.
yeah.
And that's a debutant.
yeah, and
So that was probably the closest thing to an upset so far. Me think.
well, the knockout round, it look very.
Yeah, so the upset
No, I don't think that's
And
the biggest
and-
upset. I
and
think the
even
biggest
Turkey as
upset
well, Turkey
was
dropped out
Portugal.
Yeah.
No, I think the biggest upset was Portugal. John with Colombia. Yeah, with Colombia. I think that's the
Colombia is a
big.
good team.
No,
Colombia is a good team.
Colombia is a good team. I mean, the Congo draw.
Yeah, that was also a big upset as well.
Because,
Upset a maybe a small team, upset a big
Team. Oh, okay.
but the Turkey dropping out was a big surprise for
Turkey are a
me.
rich team.
No, because everybody of them has a dark horse and this and that. So with man like the goal on this side, I was so surprised that I'm going so early.
Yeah. You know an interesting thing?
Uruguay too.
You know an interesting thing? They had 10 African teams in the World Cup, and 9 of them advanced
Wow.
to the second round.
Very
That's
impressive.
very impressive. Yeah.
Very, very,
Yeah,
very
very
impressive.
impressive.
And let's see if them can go even further.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me one player that can take a last minute penalty.
Ladies first.
Vinny.
Who?
Vinny Jr.
We have the same ball game, really and truly. Alright, no problem. Mr. Tracey.
Not Messi.
Definitely.
Now let's see ourselves, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but
Fierce.
He not miss it.
Fierce, agree.
He not miss it.
Messi missed one of these.
Just
so
wait,
Fierce.
hold on.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
he's missed 2 penalties. Remember, he missed the last World Cup penalty, you know. Then this is the second one he's missing.
Ronaldo? Messi?
No, Messi, yeah.
Yeah, man, that's what Messi.
Yeah.
Oh, not Messi.
not
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
that makes
But
sense.
Ronaldo?
For sure.
Him not Messi, yeah.
Ronaldo not miss that easy opportunity to score.
Exactly, especially
At this stage,
I'm on 1,000 goals.
That is
so
it.
I'm about 25 off. So
That is
he would
it.
do anything to get there.
Me I try to think who else.
Mbappe.
pretty
Mbappe,
tight.
He's young and hungry. Feel that is
Yeah,
the most obvious,
Mbappe, yes.
honest answer.
You know, see at the end of his career, he's going to be probably the greatest World Cup scorer. He's 27 now.
Yeah.
Messi have the record now and he might add to the record, but Mbappe is like 3 goals behind Messi for the all-time leading goal scorer. in the
And
World
Mbappe
Cup.
have
So by the time his World Cup career done,
Yeah.
he's going to be the all-time leading goal scorer in the World Cup.
And the man,
I don't want normal ball.
he might do it on 3 World Cup, third World Cup.
Third World Cup. I think
yeah,
the first one was like 8.
Crazy, you know?
Yeah. Bad baller.
Bad baller.
Bad baller.
Impressive.
give it to
He said top right Brazil.
Yeah.
Bad baller.
Yeah, bad baller.
A Brazil, is it?
Yeah.
Right side.
No, honestly. Now I forgive Mbappe for real.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so guys, heard from the biggest Brazil fan here at TVJ. How Brazil gonna lose.
No.
What did I say?
No.
They were completely honest that Brazil is their style, win, lose or draw.
Yes.
And just keep on watching social side and be there to celebrate with Mbappe and France as they take home the World Cup.
Wow. That's what I said.